Hi, hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Internet Explorer cannot display the web pages in Google Chrome. Okay, then step by step follow to solve this problem. Then first step for clear the browsing data in Chrome. You will get open the Chrome browser. You will click to the triple dot, then see the settings. So you will select the privacy and security. You will see the clear browsing data. You will set it to then clear the history and cookies, cache and more. Then always you set it to click to clear. Okay. Then second step for restore advanced settings in internet options. Yet you will search the internet options. You will click to open. So you will see the advanced. You will click to the restore advanced settings to click to apply. Click to OK. Then go back to you will click to the general, then browsing history and cookings and save passwords always you will set it to click to delete. Then finally click to apply, click to OK. Then final step for you will click to the Windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop to this problem issues for solved. After get open to you will check this error for fixing this problem. Okay. Then anyone doubt to pin the comment and thank you for watching.